I know a video about making your own cleaning spray seems very convenient, but I didn't even plan this one. I started making this DIY 4 weeks ago. Hi guys, and welcome to WholeElise. I'm Elise, and today we're going to be making an all-natural 2-ingredient cleaning spray. So it is officially spring, birds are flying, flowers are blooming, house is dirty. I don't know what it is about spring, but maybe because it gets a lot brighter, but every time I look around, the dust just starts to catch my eye, and that's when I know it's time to get cleaning. But if you're not too keen on your house smelling more like chemicals than flowers, then making your own natural cleaning spray is definitely the route to go. This cleaning spray is so easy to make, and it only needs 2 ingredients: the peel from any citrus fruit and distilled vinegar. That's it. In fact, considering the current climate, it is probably far easier just to make this cleaning spray than going to the stores and just finding empty shelves. And speaking of empty shelves, if you're in need of a hand sanitizer, click the video above where I take you through step by step on how to make the World Health Organization's official hand sanitizer recipe, as well as a natural alternative. And why not subscribe to my channel for weekly natural DIYs, tutorials, and recipes. But for now, if all you're interested in is an easy, effective cleaning spray that does the job, then this is the tutorial for you. So let's get straight into making our citrus cleaning spray. For our first fragrance, we need the peel from any citrus fruit. I'm going for like a citrusy cocktail type of fragrance, so I'm using pink grapefruit, orange and lemon. But you can use any combination or even just a single fruit if you'd like. Simply cut the peel from a fruit and place it in a jar. Now I appreciate most of you might not have a mound of fruit that you can harvest the peel from, but the best thing about this natural cleaner is that you can add fruit peels as you go. It's completely zero waste, so the next time you see someone peeling an orange, instead of throwing it in the bin, just add it to the jar. For the jar, use one with plenty of room that you can top up with fruit peels. We'll need the jar for at least 3 to 4 weeks, so make sure you pick one that won't be missed. And for our second ingredient in our citrus cleaning spray, we need distilled vinegar. I chose it because it's widely available while still being cheap, so anyone struggling to get cleaning products should hopefully still be able to find this, either in supermarkets or at convenience stores. Vinegar's acidity makes it a great natural cleaner. It can dissolve away soap scum, the brines left by hard water, and even residue glue from surfaces. It's also great for getting rid of stains and cleaning windows and mirrors. However, do not use this natural cleaner on marble or granite surfaces, as the vinegar can etch away at the stone. Make sure that your jar is sealed shut. Seriously, you do not want that vinegar smell seeping out. The vinegar should take care of any mold, just make sure that all the fruit peels are submerged. So you might be wondering, if all we need is the peel, then what happens to all of that fruit? Well, my friends, that is up to you. But I figured, seeing as we're already going as far as skinning this fruit, we might as well chop it up and make a fruit salad. After a few weeks, the peels have infused the vinegar with their citrus fragrance, so we're ready to start making our cleaning spray. You can see that the peels are far paler in colour and the vinegar solution is more cloudy compared to earlier. If you're happy with the fragrance of your cleaning spray, then we can move on to straining the peels. Use a strainer to separate the vinegar solution from the citrus peels. If you don't need to use the full amount, return the strained peels to the jar and you can either store them as is or top them up with more peels and vinegar. Either use a funnel or a measuring jug to pour our citrus cleaning solution into the bottle. I'm using this reusable glass bottle for our cleaning spray. Depending on how strong you need your natural cleaner to be, you can either use as is or dilute it with water. Introducing water will affect how long the citrus cleaner will last, so make sure to use either distilled water or freshly boiled water that has cooled, and that way it should last for at least a few weeks. So it has been 4 weeks and we've finally been able to finish off making our cleaning spray. Now it might suspiciously look like I filmed all of this in the same day, but you know, I could just be consistent with the look. Okay, so this is a multi-purpose cleaning spray, meaning that it should do very well on counters, hobs, various other types of surfaces which you normally use a cleaning spray. The only thing I would say that you should watch out for is any sort of surface that doesn't really like to be in contact with oil. This has a minimum amount of oil in it, but of course, seeing as we did use the fruit peel, there is a little bit of oil in that, so any really special surfaces, I wouldn't risk it, but for most surfaces this will work really well. So if you leave this to mature for the full 4 weeks, you really shouldn't have much of a vinegar smell. However, if you do notice that it's still a little bit present, all you would need to do is either dilute it a little bit further with water or just stuffing in more citrus peel. The more peel you add, the stronger the citrus smell will be, and of course the less you'll smell any vinegar. And of course you don't need to just stick to the fruits that I use. You can use whatever you like. You could even add some herbs or essential oils if you want even more fragrance, but just remember that seeing as this is a multi-surface cleaning spray, you do need to make careful that you don't add in any additional ingredients that might not do too well on certain surfaces. But other than that, you are free to customize this as much as possible. It's such an easy recipe to make, and honestly it just leaves your house smelling beautiful, citrusy and fresh. It perfectly complements the spring season. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If so, I would appreciate if you could give this video a thumbs up, and why not subscribe to my channel for even more natural DIYs, recipes and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll be making even more essential DIYs over the upcoming weeks, so stay tuned for that.